Today we are going to practice a simple breathwork technique that will help us find balance. Balance in our body, balance between our thoughts, balance in our emotions. To do this, we will use our right hand. The right thumb will close the right nostril and the right ring finger will close the left nostril. So let's begin. We'll keep the left hand in the Chinna Mudra, which is the thumb touching the index finger, and the right thumb will close the right nostril. Become aware of the spine, close your eyes, and first completely breathe out from the left. Now inhale from the left, close the left nostril, and exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, close, and exhale from the left. This is one cycle. Continue doing this. Inhale from the left and exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Find a nice rhythm. Equal counts of inhalation and exhalation. At one sitting, you can do a minimum of 9 rounds. And if you feel, you can do more. As you inhale, inhale fully. As you exhale, exhale completely. Getting into the natural rhythm of your breath. Now slowly and gently, when you found your balance, you can gently open your eyes.